One of the hidden gems inside of Illustrator CS4 are the templates that come free with Illustrator. Now, I know what you're thinking. As a designer, you don't need to be using clip art or working with other people's artwork, which is fine. But Adobe bundled some blank templates which can be very useful to use inside of Illustrator. To access these templates from the welcome screen, you can simply choose From Template. Alternatively, you can go to the File menu and choose New from Template. I'm going to go over here, for example, and click on From Template. And you can see that I have blank templates, and then I have theme templates, for example, club style for film, flex skins, which I'll talk about in a moment, Japanese templates, and then a tech theme. Just to show you the tech theme, for example, I'll choose, let's say, an annual report. Click on the New button, and that shows basically how you might create an annual report inside of Illustrator. Now, I'm not suggesting you go ahead and you create a 200-page annual report here inside of Illustrator. Obviously, the point here is if you have certain graphic-intensive pages, this might be a great place for you to design this. What I love about what Adobe has done now with the templates is they've kind of showed how you could also use multiple artboards to take advantage of these templates as well. In fact, when I go over here to the File menu and then choose New from Template, one of the most exciting things that I've seen, for example, is the blank templates. For example, banner ads. If I click on the New button here, I see that what Adobe has done is created a single document that has multiple artboards that are for all different types or sizes that might be used on an online ad banner campaign, which is a great way for me to get started by creating artwork and then basically applying that to all these different popular web banner sizes. I'll go back to one other section for a moment here. If you go to the File menu, choose New from Template, there's something here called Flex Skins. Now, if you're the developer type and you are using the Flex framework for actually developing applications, Illustrator has the ability to basically define how the different elements in an application look. By opening up the Flex Skins template, you can define how buttons look, sliders, so on and so forth, and then when you're building your applications, you can customize exactly how that looks. Of course, you'd use the Flex Builder application in order to define and create those applications. So while at first the concept of templates themselves may not be that exciting, I do urge you to take a look at some of the templates that ship with Illustrator to either A, get a head start on some of the artwork instead of you having to define things from scratch, or B, even using some of those blank templates to really make it easy for you to create the artwork that you need. As a closing thought, you also might think about creating your own templates. When you work inside of Illustrator, you can always go to the File menu, and then instead of choosing Save or Save As, you can choose Save As Template. This saves your file with an extension called .ait or Adobe Illustrator Template. Basically, it makes a file with a certain flag inside of it, so the next time you open up that file, it opens up as an untitled document, and therefore you can never go ahead and overwrite that original file. This is great if you're working in a department or where you have many designers and you want to create a certain look and feel for a basic idea for a template, and then distribute that template to all of the different people on your team. You can save templates anywhere on your hard drive, on a server, or even in the same folders that you have here inside of this templates folder.